What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on the LsBluu YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going down and we're going to check out a buddy's truck. We're going to be going to Mike's house and checking out that black turbo Sonoma and picking up some parts from him. And we're going to look over his truck. I'm trying to get some ideas on how I'm going to turbo mine if I do decide to do that, and just hang out for a little while. So we got about an hour and 45-minute drive, and let's get it done. Alright, so this is the truck I raced a couple months ago. LS6. What cam's in it?
Just a Stage 2 BTR NA cam.
I'm gonna throw a turbo cam in it.
I don't know.
S4 75, ain't it? Charter.
Yes.
All complete custom. A little tight. Everything completely custom. Air to water. 9010s up front.
Yep.
It's crazy how much fab work goes into a turbo kit.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
You can't even see the cylinder 7 down there.
It's the hardest one to change plug in.
I guarantee it.
But I can change all the plugs with a jack. That's all you need. Get your front.
Is that current performance radiator and fan setup? That's how those fit. I don't know if you can get those anymore or not.
Yeah, you can.
You can? He is installing the TRZ anti-roll bar kit and the bump steer kit and some new Viking shocks.
Probably will be in the next week or so.
Yeah. Water box. Nah. 400 turbo kit coming up underneath. Custom transmission cross member.
Yes, sir.
See, there's what else you can do. He's doing some rear end work. Hey, what rear end is this?
8.8.
8.8. A lot cleaner under here than mine.
8.8. We cut the perches off of it, set our own pinion angle, had the perches weld back on it. It's got this little clamp, and it don't even pierce the wire, it just clamps around it, picks up the inductive signal.
This is the MSD ignition shift light.
5 LED, I believe. Red. Can set 3 different shift points. Wire. And it is the pink one.
Cranking.
Pink wire.
Fuel regulator back in there.
I think that's it.
Probably work good right there.
I'll start. Do you a little good? You did put them in the car, didn't you?
Yeah.